Okay, so since I wasn't able to prepare any speech, so impromptu na lang yun. So of course, I know that we're celebrating my mother's retirement, and ang word na retirement kay, I think it defines something na kanang yung work has come to an end. But for me, the most important job that you're employed in is being a mother to me and to my two brothers. And kana dili jud ka retire ana. And I know my whole life kay stage mother gid ni siya. And I know kamo witness at mo tanan na niya sa yung pagka-stage mother kay you're always very supportive to those around you, and you always give your best and always go out of your way to show your support and your kindness and generosity. So despite being retired from BIR, I know that you continue to inspire those around you. Love you, May.
Ay, hot naman dyan. Thank you, Razel. Then, di-mention ko na ganyan, nakamasayaw, no? O yung